in the month that they were looking at it because they decided that they wanted to have landscaping.
Yeah.
Permanently.
Yeah.
So they upped the rent to make sure that landscaping would get done. Might end up being okay, well, never mind.
Yeah. And so they upped the rent.
So I don't know.
You pulling on it?
A little bit.
Well, they're
Pulling in the right direction,
now,
Roger?
Yeah, you're pulling in the right direction.
now they can actually
Part of your problem is you're digging into the ground is you chose such a low spot.
I'm not digging into the ground at all.
My side you are.
I see what you're saying.
Like you're digging like...
No, I guess you can go a little higher.
Or it's like, don't angle it much that way.
Oh, you just lay down, huh?
When it's hitting, it's actually hitting the ground. That's why it's not going straight.
He's getting through it, though. There he goes. Get all in there. Watch out for spiders, though. And the mole people. This is not cutting straight at all. It's not even funny.
Oh wow. What are you doing? Videoing me?
Yep.
Taking pictures of trees?
Yep.
Alright, so should we go more
I'm right
downhill? Let's try and help him a little.
Oh, here he goes.
This is a perfect place to play on my camera. So much best for it. I have like a million people to do that. When I'm playing with the phone. Yeah. And I'm like, man, we were watching YouTube this morning. Is that a beetle?
There it goes.
Ah. Yes.
All Day Tree, 2011.
I love grasshoppers.
Alright. Let's get some of those lower branches off.
Yeah. Yours did that. Loop.
Tired? This is the hard angle to come from. It is. It's hard for me to get a good shot of that angle, too.
He's so good, he gives us flies in the house. Really? That's so funny. I'll be in the living room, I'll put him in the crazy, like, he's in the air. One time, he caught one in his mouth and the window, and he had it in his mouth done, took it back, and
That doesn't help. Turn that off.
he held it in the little piece by the wing, and like, hauled it back there.
It's like two more.
Go forward.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're heading right to it.
I look so cool. You look cool.
I think we may need to even get nice little.
I don't know, I think that looks pretty good. You think this has to come? Yeah, maybe this little one.
Yeah.
How deep is the watering thing? I thought the watering thing was about as deep as this. I guess I could. Yeah.
We said, oh, you got to get the other lens. And that's why I asked if he had got one that came with the camera. And says, well, he says, in order to really take advantage of it, you got to have this other. And he said, no.